Stick around and you're going to get to see how I do these amazing, beautiful Asian Sriracha chicken wings. Welcome back to Grilling with Grove. My name's Austin, and today what I've got going for you is some honey sriracha wings. Now these wings are going to be cooked in the oven, but before I pop them in there, what I'm going to do is season them with the spice blend, and then we're going to make a glaze for them and glaze them as we're baking. And I'm just going to give you some tips and tricks along the way so that these come out right. So let's get to cooking. We have 6 chicken wings that have been cut up in front of us, and the reason that I like to cut them up is because the tips seem to burn in the oven when you bake, and also because I like the flats better than the drumettes, so I will keep the flats and give the drumettes to my friends. First, what we're going to do is season these up with a spice blend, and today I've chosen from the Penzi Spice Company. I've got the Galena Street Rub for rib and chicken. And that is a very kind of salty rub with kind of heat on the back end. So we're gonna go very light on that. And then I also have some smoked paprika, the Spanish style of smoking the paprika. And that is very powerful paprika, but I do like it. So we're probably gonna go a little bit more liberal for that. So I'm gonna season these up and then I will be back with you. Here are the wings rubbed up. There is one ingredient that I'm missing that I wish I had, and that is baking powder. And with baking powder, what you can do is add that to the top of your wings, and it actually creates a chemical reaction with the proteins of the chicken to help get your chicken wings more crispy. Now, you just want to be sure if you do have baking powder that it is aluminum free. Also, you'll notice that the wings are on top of a wire rack, and that's so that we can get the airflow underneath them as well. And that also helps to keep them crisp. All right, we're gonna go into an oven of 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna eyeball these until they get to the desired crispness that we want before we start glazing. Next, we're gonna make the glaze for these wings, and basically what we're gonna do is even parts honey and sriracha, and then a tablespoon of soy sauce, fish sauce, and rice vinegar. So I'm going to mix this up and then we can start glazing the wings. Alright, I just wanted to get you a shot of the sauce right there and show you the consistency. So you take your spoon, just do kind of like that, do like this, and you can just kind of see that it's a runny consistency. So that's a nice viscosity that we have to it. It's going to be perfect for glazing. Now, I tasted this and it's got some heat to it. But you can also taste some sweet on kind of the back end, as well as the kind of salty umami flavors from the soy sauce, the rice vinegar, and the fish sauce. So this is going to go perfect with these wings, and I am pretty excited to get this started. We're just waiting on our wings to get crispy, and then we can start glazing. This is how our wings look after 20 minutes. So I'm going to get these flipped over and then back in the oven for another 20 minutes before we start glazing these wings. Here are our wings. They've gone another 20 minutes, so we're at 40 minutes total. So we're going to give them a turn, go 10 more minutes, and then start to glaze. The wings have been 10 minutes on this side, so now we're going to start our glazing process. So we're just going to drizzle some of that glaze over the top of the wings and pop them back in for 5 minutes. Then we're going to flip them over, glaze the other side, and finish them up the last 5 minutes. All right, we're back. Our wings have been taken out of the oven and been resting, so now we're just going to give it a little taste. Definitely some good flavors in that. You get the sriracha, but the honey has kind of calmed that down a little bit. There's some smoke flavor on the back end, and I'm definitely picking up some Asian flavors from the soy sauce and the fish sauce and the vinegar. All right, everyone. I hope you share this video with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss another video, and I will definitely be seeing you on the next one. Cheers.